Hi! Going to
Davao City!
I love you and that's the worst thing you ever heard. Screws up. You pulled me in and I'm a little break. It's the first kiss, it's long, it's really something. It's fearless. It's better than this. You take me.
Hello, nanamiss sa moon crater of the Philippines.
Tayo naman po.
Ay,
Wala na bang?
oh no! Hala?
Sugat sila?
Excited ako makita si Ellie? Aha.
Cockroach? You scared ka sa cockroach? We're at Tusitani. Kuya, saan parking diri kuya? Mag-check in. Free. Hi. Okay, for the Charna tour, this is our tour of our room in Lusitania. Oh, I love the coffee maker. Nay coffee maker, Pem. Nice tayo. Ha? Ha? Nice tayo. Uwan, kita na tong pool, oh. Say hi, Ri.
I'm gonna say
Saan tayo mag-going?
sa spoon.
Nalaag si Malinsa. Anong hiwi mo? Anak daw siya sa imo. Where will you go?
My new friend.
But I can't see you there. Come here. Come say hi.
Snack.
You want a snack? What kind of snack?
Push pop.
French. Say push pop. That's not a snack. That's a junk food.
How about?
French fries.
Yes.
You want?
Yes, I want a cheese fries.
Cheese fries? Hello. So, kami sa Davao. Diri mi mag New Year. Because, mingaw mo po dito sa baba. Wala naman ko yung mama. Wala naman ko yung papa. Gamay na lang. Wala ko na mga igsoon dito. Ako ate na diri sa Davao. Ako kuya nasa US. Ako mahod ako diri sa Davao. So, we figured, diri na lang kami sa Davao mag New Year. And, I love it here. Relax good ko. Currently at Tusitani. So, yeah. Here is there. She is swimming. Happy kayo siya. Diba na? Hi, Daddy. Happy New Year. Pagnaw diha. Let's make coffee. Para lagat akong mataon niya sa New Year. Pool. What's next? Kapoy kayo magpakalaysyo guys. Kaya tingnan ko ani no. Naman ako yung ani pero naman ko kasabot. I think so. This is it. Finally. So we're preparing for the New Year's Eve dinner.
Yeah, and this is me, and we're going down to the hotel.
Yeah, to eat our...
Here's Ellie. Ellie, and he's eating something. Okay. Bye.
I'm ready.
Hello!
I'm ready for the dinner because I'm so hungry.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we will celebrate New Year!
He's so annoying. Ready na siya. And Riri, are you ready?
Yes, and I have kids lipstick.
Yeah, are you wearing your kids' lipstick? That's why you're so cute. Ate and her sariling makeup. Yeah, sariling sikap makeup. Lock. My sariling sikap makeup for New Year. Sariling sikap na hair. Ali! Happy New Year, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Uy, mag-itsa lang, mag-itsa dinner lang.
This side. I want to hear the answers from this side. Are you all ready to welcome the 2026? Now that's the era with us.
Sashimi Station! Oh my
Our
god.
kids actually mentioned as well, talking about our New Year's resolution.
This is my New Year dinner. Steak, some potatoes, kimchi fried rice, lechon, fish, and seafood bulabe. What are you eating, love? Lechon only?
No rice.
Rice and lechon.
No,
You should eat more.
I only eat rice.
Rice and chicken.
No.
Please. Happy New Year, love. Love you.
Ito America.
Dito si Titi Mali.
Dito diha kay subuan ka.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Steak. Ama. Huwag ka ng ano bitaw. Mama sa rich kid.
Photos and videos, so please do tag us on all our
Come. Careful. Careful, love. Ah! Ganon ka kanta. Ganon, ganito ka kanta. Mamma mia. Pero parat. Awit natin magpagkailan pa. Awit natin ang magpagkalimutan. Mapapigilda. Cheers!
Isugado. Ito. Stable siya ba?
invite your family members to dance along with you. Grand countdown.
January 1. We're off to our breakfast. Lagi dito. Ay, nilupad. Breakfast. Wala siya sa mood. Lami pa kayo itulog, no? Pero, kailangan na to i-avail ang breakfast. Eh, sayang. Temporado lang. Happy New Year!